Today, let us talk about nested if-else construct in Java programming language. Why nested is used? Because if and else check a single condition. But what if we want to check for multiple condition? Multiple times if we want to check for something, then we are supposed to use nested if-else. How it is used? Let us have an example. What we will do is, Java application, next, name anything. What we'll do is, we will expect or tell the user to enter capital of India, and we'll check it. We will check the input is correct or not. If it is not correct, we will ask again, and we will ask it for 2-3 times. So for that we have to employ if-else loop. So let's get going. We will have to use our Java util scanner class that we are going to import here, java.util.scanner. Now this scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in. We are expecting the user to key in from the keyboard. So this is how it is done. And what we'll do is, first of all, we'll declare the answer in the program. String answer is equal to New Delhi. This is what the answer we want from the user. Okay. Now user will give some response, so we have to save it also, and we have to check this response from the answer. So this is how we have done. And this double quotes means empty or null string, and it is very important because Java checks for any error in string class. So if we don't give it, there will be a error. Now we will ask user to enter the capital of India. For that, system.out.println, and in this system.out we will show that you have 3 tries. So capital of India we are asking, and we are asking user to enter it, and we have showed him that there you are only given 3 chances. So let's start with our if-else loop, and first we have to take the response from the user. How we are going to take the response from the user? This is the response string, input.next line, response will come to this particular string. We'll check if response is equal to answer. How we are going to check? If response dot since this is a string and you want to use string class, C equals, this is being checked by answer. Actually string doesn't like to be checked by double is equal to sign, so we have used it. And then we'll show if the answer is equal, we'll tell the user that you have entered the correct answer. For that we'll just system.out.println correct. What if the answer is not correct? We'll go to else and again ask the user to do the same. Means again enter the value, again we'll take it in the response, again check if response is equal to this, we'll show correct, otherwise else, because we have to go to the second iteration if the user answered it incorrectly. So we'll say that sorry in else. Okay, in else we'll say sorry, try again, and we'll again ask for the response. We'll again take it in response, and then we say if a response is equals answer, it is true, no problem with that. But now again if he fails, again we have to go to else, and same iteration we have to do. Okay, same iteration. Sorry once more, one more try, and then again we will expect the user to give the response, and response is taken in the similar manner in which we did just now. Again we'll check, and finally we will say okay, it is correct if it is correct. But now if it is not correct, what we'll do, we will say in last else, we will say sorry, it is not correct, the correct answer is New Delhi. This is what we want to show. So one if else, then another if else, then another, because the condition fails, it comes in else. Condition fails, it comes in else. Condition fails, it comes in else. So this is nested if else. This is an example of nested if else construct. Let me execute it for you. Capital of India, say this, try again, this, try again, this, try again. Okay, it is New Delhi. What if I give it right for the first time? Correct. So this is a simple query game employing nested if else